Hey, thanks for stopping by. Last video, we put together this really quick camera car because I just got this new point of view camera that puts out Wi-Fi video. Puts out a pretty good image. I'm really happy with it. Sends it Wi-Fi to the phone and all that. So I thought, okay, that worked out well. This thing doesn't really look very prototypical. So I was in the hobby shop today and I found this little flat car in the consignment junk bin. I think they wanted $1 for it. And I found they had a bridge there. And so I bought these unwanted relics, and I'm going to kit bash them. I had to carve some plastic out of the center of this flat car. And I chopped down this bridge. You can see here it is on the bandsaw. I'm going to slice off the extra pieces that I don't need, smooth out the bottom, and then take it over to the tabletop sander and just kind of tweak it a little bit. And then I'm going to lay these timbers down and we'll glue it all up, and this rack will sit on top of the flat car, and that will allow me to not only mount the camera forward or backward, but it will also give me a side view. So I'm excited about trying that. And the other thing I liked about this flat car, it's not a very nice flat car, but it's heavy. It's one of these that's got a metal bar running down through the center of it. So it's a good mass, and that offsets the camera really well. So stick around, we'll crash this thing together and see what happens. Alrighty, we got our planks glued on. I'm going to put a little blue tape on there to create a little zone for the epoxy when I put this on there. So let's throw some paint on this. Okay, while that brown paint is drying on the actual flat car, let's go ahead and assume that the steel's been out in the weather for a while. It's going to be transported, and it really hasn't been painted yet on location. So we'll add a little bit of rust to it. You can see here that the Q-tip actually works a lot better, just a messed up Q-tip, than a brush for getting that tiny rust in there, so it doesn't look painted on. And while I'm at it, I'll put a little rust on the car itself. We'll see if we can grime it up a bit while we're at it. Well, there it is, our kit-bashed camera car. I'll be able to mount the camera here in the forward position and here in the side position. I've got some little Velcro patches on there. We added some steel cables for holding the load down. And so let's put this car into action and get some cool shots. Well, at this point, I am still just taking a video of my phone with my camera, so there's quite a bit of difference between the image that you get from the minicam and straight off my camera. My next project will be to experiment with actually recording the video on the minicam and transferring that video. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.